Hello, this is Wolf from Tesla Owners US, and today what I want to show you what's the difference is between car wash service in the US and car wash service in Germany. And that's gonna be very interesting. Stay with us.
I pressed insane. I went insane.
Yeah, this was one of the good car washes here in Lübeck, and I got a car from Dennis, another YouTuber, and I had to buy a token for the pressure washer. You have to actually buy a token for the pressure washer, a car wash at the gas station there, and you have to buy also a vacuum cleaner. Each of them is separate. So you cannot buy everything together or anything like that. Then I used the pressure washer because I didn't trust that car wash, that Tiger wash there. You can drive your car in, the car closes, then you are using the barcode. The garage closes, then you're using the barcode. The brushes are starting, and then also the drying is starting. I didn't want to use that. Instead of that, I did it for myself and pressure washed the car and later dried it off. And that was actually my task for here in order to return the car in a clean condition. And that's what I'm saying here right now. I'm saying thank you the Vitus family for allowing me to drive the car in Germany for these couple of days. It was last year, I think, in August. And I returned the car in the most clean possible condition as I could. And I vacuumed the car as well. And as I said, you have to pay for vacuums separately as well. So basically, car wash in Germany is do it yourself or you don't get it done. And now is US.
Here is the car wash service. And we are going today in both. In full service first for the Model X. And then after that in express service. So you're gonna go here and the car gets vacuumed first and cleaned. And here's the basic car wash, basically. And they're gonna vacuum the car. And there are two stations there. And what I usually also do...
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you? What I usually also do is I go in here and put that screen on screen clean mode. So now it's screen clean and they can clean the car. Huh? So you will be on camera if you want. Alright, good. So then let the guys do their work and I'm gonna take that ticket, and pay it inside with this card, right?
Yeah, I couldn't scan it right here.
Yes.
I don't know what's wrong with my little scanner thing, but
Yeah.
it's just looking for the basic. Do you want me to do a better one?
No, it's fine. It's fine. Basic car wash is fine. And then you do all of the stuff here around. Yeah? Thank you.
I'm gonna vacuum it, wash it, and dry it.
Yes,
You want to
yes.
add anything else, like wheel cleaner, tire shine?
No, you're fine. Yeah. So compare a standard car wash to a regular car wash. So then you can go here, there's a gas station as well. That's the only time when I'm really visiting a gas station. You can go in here and you can get all different kinds of stuff on a gas station, as you guys know. And here we go. So, yeah. And then here's my favorite folks from the gas station. This is my favorite car wash, and this is Christy. Hello, Christy. Hey. And they're doing a really good job. So let's go outside and wait. Yes?
Thank you.
Thank you. So wait area here. Here I can sit outside. Or actually there should be a table here. There will be a table, there is a table here. And there's a wait area inside as well, with some seats and television and so on, so that the people, when they have to wait, are being busy with something. And now they are taking care of my car from the inside and from the outside, cleaning, drying, and so on. And we're gonna wait until they call me and then I pick it up. You can also get full detailing here on the car. if you want to. Oh, you need the key? Yes, sorry. Here's the key. Yeah. Ah, he needs the key. Yeah. I forgot the key. Okay. Vacuum clean complete. So basically what they do there is they are brushes, but very soft brushes, and they are going here in the car wash. By going up to a certain point, then they are exiting, or he's driving through with the car. The car wash here, let me see, the regular car wash, and you can go express or regular. There is no rails here. That is a good thing. You could damage with low tires. Now it starts getting loud. Once you're coming out from here, there are two lanes. One of them is the express lane, which is the outer lane, and then the inner lane is where they are taking care of the cars here. And now we're going here to our car. Thank you for the service.
Anytime.
And I have to give you a ticket. That is this one, and I
Thank you.
will give you also a tip. Ticket and
I
a tip.
appreciate you. That's
Yes. And let's see how great of a job you guys doing. Awesome. You know, everything clean, inside, outside. Oh, can you do me a favor?
Yes, of course.
Can you open that front as well? Where's the key? Usually I don't do that because it's difficult to close it, because when you close it you have to press it down here. So when you press the front, that is the back, here's the front. Yes. So do a little cleaning here.
I got you.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Alright.
And then here what I do also I'm going here around here.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the edges there. This is my second trunk. This is trunk.
Right.
It's called front.
Trunk. Front.
Front trunk.
front.
Trunk. Yes. Yeah. And then when you watch that, how you have to close that later is you have to close. You see, here's the unit. So have to close. Don't
Because
close.
it bends.
Yeah, it bends.
Yes, I know.
That is the problem.
Yeah, I know.
There's a crescent there. You are causing a
Right.
crescent there.
Yeah.
So you're closing
Yeah,
it here.
you gotta do it from the
Yes.
strong point.
So when you ever work on a Tesla, that's how you have to close it. Yeah, guys. Thank you. Hey, good job.
Thank you.
Good job. All right. So we are ready to go. Awesome.
Well, you have a great day, Ralph.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So guys, that was full service. So they're doing inside, outside, and it was, I think a ticket price was $17. And they are dry it, and they're doing the windows and everything all around it. And that's very well done. I like them. And oops, they didn't. They tried to operate that screen. So you have to watch that. The mirrors are. Yeah, they're saying an impact was detected during parking mode, and actually that's my other camera, but it was probably something around here when they cleaned it. Yeah, I think that was the full service car wash. So guys, the next wash is Express Wash. Basically there's a monthly subscription of, I think for the basic wash or a deluxe wash of $19 a month, and you can go as much as you want in your car and buy car washes or do car washes as much as you want per month. And that's what we're gonna do next. Und jetzt kommt Deluxe Wash oder Deluxe Wash. Oh, it works. Yes. What, this one?
There you go.
Okay. Thank you. So we try Express Wash now. I document that. I have to bring it one time on my YouTube channel so that people see how good of a job you guys do. Okay?
Sounds good. You have a great day.
Yes, same to you. So, and that is Express Wash. Now we stop, we put the car in neutral, and then the conveyor belt will carry it forward. This is the bug spray as we've seen before. And now this is very careful brushing. So, and they said it will not harm the paint. Now, most of our cars are anyway be prepared with foil, with clear bra, and it does not much harm when it's prepared with clear bra. So of course you know for yourself how that works. Here you see everything what you're getting with it, including if you're getting extras and so on. Turn your automatic windshield wipers off, otherwise the wipers will start going on and off. Here's what you get. This is underground clearing. Yeah, and here you see clear coat and spot free. And then drying. But it's not all, I think it's not good enough for me. I have to do something extra always. Yeah, and then you're out of drying. And then you take the right lane here in order to exit. So the left lanes are for the people who are cleaning the cars or full service, as you have seen. And the right lane is for exiting, and we're not exiting right now because we're gonna do for the free vacuum, because that belongs to the service as well, that you can use free vacuum, and also you get free towels there, so you don't even have to bring your own towels. You do free vacuum here. So, and free towels. So that's the service what we're gonna use. So let's find out. We're gonna take this side. And then you see also here already the drips here, and that's what you want to avoid, the little bit. So even when you think there are still drips on it, and that's what you want to remove, those drips. Otherwise there's staying spots. And here are clean towels for use, and return towels, and for sure the vacuum. So then I go all around the car, vacuum from the inside to the door frames here, and vacuum this from the inside for sure here as well. Then go all around the edges here, from here all around here, the edges, and vacuum the trunk, the edges here as well, here, and once you do that, it's all for free. The vacuums, the towels, it's all for free. And for sure, this one, you have fun, you can do this one as well. Vacuum the trunk. And be careful when you close that. Here in the middle, press down. So that's the self-service car wash. Yeah, that was all about car service and car wash and service in the US, and compare that to Germany. And you know, where is the service country and where is no service country? So that is interesting, and that's what I wanted to show you, because one time when I cleaned the car for Dennis' car, what he gave me, so then I found out that this is an important service distinguishing.
I pressed and said